Hello, this is Susan Kelmer. In this video, I want to talk about being able to put files together so that you have one larger file instead of a whole lot of really small ones. So I'm using Adobe Acrobat Professional DC version. You can also use the standalone version. You cannot use Adobe Acrobat Reader for this. You do need Adobe Acrobat Pro. And so sometimes we get files from publishers and they'll have broken up things a lot more deeply than we would have when we were breaking up a file. And so, for example, in this book, the cover, the copyright pages, the contents, table of contents, and the about the author section were all four separate documents. And we want to make it simple for the student to navigate. And so we're going to put these actually back together into one file. And so I can do this pretty easily, and I'm going to show you how to do it inside Adobe Acrobat Pro with all four tabs within the same window. But you can do it by opening these as separate instances and doing it that way. I find this is quicker than having four instances of Adobe Acrobat Professional open. So I have my four files here. So there's the cover, which is just one page, the copyright, which is a couple of pages, the contents, which are 19 pages, and then about the author, which is just a single page. So I'm going to work with these in order, and I did number these just for the purposes of this video so we wouldn't get lost. But normally these would have whatever the publisher name would have on them, and I would open them up in the order that I wanted to combine them. So our cover obviously is the first. So our copyright only has 2 pages, so I'm going to select both of these pages, and I could do that with my mouse and my control key, or I could have done Control A to grab them all, but I have both of them now. And what I want to do is to grab this one, either one of those pages is fine, and pull it up to the cover PDF, and then I can drop them right here below the cover. And if I get it wrong, I can move it around. It's really magic. So I have my three pages here now, which was the cover and the 2 pages from the copyright. And you do notice I do have my page thumbnail view open. That's the only way to get this done. So over here, contents is 19 pages. So I could do the click and the scroll and hold the shift key and click again, or I can just click on one. Control A will select all of them. Now I know they're in order. They were in order in this file. So it doesn't matter which one I grab to go over, but I'm going to grab this one, the very top, and I'm going to click and drag this up to the cover, which then pops up that cover file. I'm going to go to the bottom and drop those there. And so now I can see that my table of contents is all there, and that was from that third document. So we have one more. That's the about the author, which is only 1 page. So I'm going to click its page and drag it up to cover, and then I'm going to want to scroll this all the way to the bottom. So you see, if I get close, I can make it scroll all the way until I can see that little blue line down there, and then I can drop that file there. So now if I look, there is the about the author section. Here's all of our table of contents, and it's all in one file. Near the top, we have our copyright and we have our cover. So now I can save this file, save as its regular file name. So our naming convention is the last name of the author and whatever this is, which is the front matter. So now we've saved this as one document. We'll send this one document to the student instead of all 4 of the separated documents. And that explains how you put files back together using drag and drop. Thanks for watching.